Turn left on Historic Route 66.
Find out.
In 4 miles, turn left on Highway 69A.
Still over here.
Uh-huh.
High water, but that car.
Yeah, that truck just came this way.
Want to find out?
Why not? She's got her swimsuit ready on. We're on Route 66.
And our GPS said this way.
I ain't using my phone.
Is that an armadillo?
Uh-huh.
Is that the water?
Yeah.
Is it deep? Yeah.
How deep?
I can still see the line.
Oh. Just be careful.
I'm going slow. Oh wait, I think it gets deeper.
Yeah. Please be careful.
Emily,
This ain't that deep. No, now it got deep. Go, don't stop.
hope we don't get stuck.
Don't go that fast. Shit.
We're already going through it. As long as it doesn't go up too high.
Go that way a little.
I've been going that way.
I didn't think it was that long. Shit.
I'm good.
Come on, baby! Come on! Free car wash! Oh, fuck!
Where's my turn? Fuck. Where's my fucking turn?
Is there another road closed?
Oh, fuck, I hope not.
Is it on your...
I think it is.
They have trucks blocking.
Yep. 'Cause that's a bridge. Oh, fuck!
How bad is it over there?
We're over it! What the hell? There's no water in front of us. Shit.
We gotta drive on that thing again.
Yeah.
Fuck.
At least we don't kind of stay on this side.
Center.
Yeah. Because that's the highest point on the road, it looks like.
Fuck.
So where do we go now?
We'll just make it across first.
Yeah. It's not a problem.
Have your windshield wipers going.
Yeah.
Go slow.
Emily, I don't need you being a backseat driver right now.
Go left a little.
I am.
Looks like you're going right.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on US 69 South, then take the first right.
Come on, we're almost there, baby. Don't fail me. We're going. We're going, baby. We is going.
This seems thicker.
You're my baby. You're my baby. Yeah, you're my baby. We're going. We're gonna make it. 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 We're gonna
You
make
gotta
it.
tell that person that they actually have the road blocked. Stop and tell him.
Hey, the road's blocked.
Is he turning around?
No.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I can't believe that they couldn't put signs up.
Well, that was a first time experience.
Yeah, never again.
God, it scared the shit out of me when it got thicker.
Yeah.
It didn't look that thick at first.
I wasn't too scared.
My heart started like almost stopping.
That was good.
And I started shaking.
3/4 of a mile,
my God.
turn left on East 120 Road.
Not doing it.
I knew she could handle it. If it was on my dart, it would have been fucked up. We're turning around.
When you got the car wash, all the bugs off.
Yeah, well, most of them.
We'll have it on camera.
Oh, yeah. Note to self, road
Left on
closed.
East 120 Road.
Just did some off-roading.
Veterans Bridge.
It's a Memorial Bridge. Oh, Lord, look at that.
Holy crap.
Big. That's flooded.
I don't think I could drive through that, Richard.
No.
I can try, but I don't
Hey,
think...
Frisbee golf.
Yeah.
Ultimate Frisbee golf.
That's deep. And there's a boat out there.
Yeah. They're going fishing.
Oh, wow. And that truck went in the water to get the boat in.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
What? You don't want to go fishing? I'll just cast my rod outside and we'll drive by and see if we catch anything.
Probably a tree.
Man,
God, it's hot.
that's almost to the road.
That looks like Microsoft Windows.
Yeah. Microsoft must own that part.
Damn, it was hot.
Gosh. Almost thought I was gonna drive through. I'm like, fuck.
Damn, look at that building.
Gosh.
That,
Fuck. Man. They're more lucky this road ain't washed out.
Yeah. It's close. Like, you see how close it is?
Did you drink some of the water?
Yeah, I drank some of the water.
Looks like you didn't.
I took a drink.
This time, no more riding in water. We don't have a boat.
I can try. Next time we'll bring the boat.
Next time we need to make this car as a boat.
I'm not buying an amphibian.
We can put a train horn on top.